Hi everyone, and welcome to Insight. One of the great things about 3D printing is that it can bring your ideas to life. More importantly is that it can bring your ideas to life very inexpensively. In fact, it's as close as you can get to prototyping your ideas for free. But of course, as close as it gets to being free, it is still costly to some extent. It still does cost some money to convert your ideas from being virtual to being real. There's the cost of the printer, of course, but there's also the cost of the filament being used per print. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Cura to show you the approximate cost of printing your objects. If you want to know how to do this, stay tuned and I'll be right back. Welcome back. So Cura has a built-in cost estimator. Unfortunately, it needs a bit of setting up before it can work. The setup is quite simple, so let me show you how to do it. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is open up Cura. So this is a brand new installation, so I'm just going to close this and let me put in a simple object here, which is a calibration cube. And I'm going to slice this calibration cube. And it will slice it and it will give you the approximate time. It'll give you the approximate weight of the filament that will be used, but it does not give you the cost of the filament. So in order to see the cost of the filament, you'll need to make some changes in Cura. And you'll do this by going to Preferences, Configure Cura, and the first thing that you'll need to do is decide the currency that you're going to be using. Cura is set by default to euros. I do not want to see it in euros. I live in North America, so I'm going to change that to dollars. So once you change the currency that you want to use, you need to go to Materials, and under Information, there are a couple of fields that you'll need to add some information to. By default, Cura shows you PLA filament, generic PLA, and what you'll need to do is fill in the cost and the weight of the filament. So the cost is the cost per roll of filament. In my case, I typically pay about $30 Canadian per roll of filament, and each roll is approximately 1,000 grams. So once you make those changes, it automatically updates the information on how much you're going to be paying for the print. So in this case, for this calibration cube, it's going to cost me 13 cents. Now, if you get another roll of filament, which let's say costs you less money, you'll need to go to the Configure Cura options again and change the cost from, let's say, $30 to $20, which here in Canada would be really amazing because the filament here is quite expensive, so $20 would be a great price for a filament. So if the cost is $20 per roll, then the cost of this calibration cube is 9 cents. And Cura will update the information automatically. So this is basically how you figure out the cost per print. And it's very easy to do, and it's very helpful. So anyway, if this tip was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell to know when I release new videos. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you soon. Take care.